Hello, mate.
Hello. I'm partially sighted, so I can't see you too well. I just want to say I'm really sorry about fireworks the other time.
It was ages ago.
No, I know it was, but I don't forget, and I'm really sorry for that.
Yeah. Well, you're not going to know what to do now, do you know what I mean? You could have obviously said it earlier on, couldn't you? Before that.
Is it too late now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyway.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
I'm sorry. Apparently you've got a you're amazing, by the way. So apparently you've got like a beer garden or a pub, beer garden.
Right, okay.
Is that true?
Well, what are you saying then?
No, not a lot. I was just saying, like.
Why are you knocking my door?
Okay. Yeah, fair enough. I'm not trying to cause trouble. I'm
just saying, why are you knocking my door? Obviously, to say all that, you know what I mean? So, what's going on?
Not a lot. I'm just sorry.
Well, okay. Don't.
I'm not aggressive or anything like that.
Don't take offence.
Yeah.
But listen.
Yeah.
I have dogs, the kid here.
Yeah.
Who's doing fireworks, and
it's
fucking fire.
Yeah, bad, isn't it?
No, next door obviously to other people. Yeah. So you've got to pay attention.
Yeah. No, I agree with that.
I know your landlord. You know what I mean? So,
yeah. No, I agree with that. What? I've got a dog. What dog have you got?
Well, I've got two.
Oh, 2 dogs.
Listen, why are you knocking my door?
Because I'm sorry. I'm not after trouble. I'm just trying to. It's peaceful and that.
Can you, on your way, right?
Yeah.
I'm sat here with Mrs. having
Yep.
a nice evening. You just knocked my door from a randomness.
Yeah. All right. Fair enough. Yeah.
To apologise, obviously, from last year.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So take yourself home. All right. Yeah. Nothing wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Show me then.
Yeah. Sorry,
right.
I can't see too well. Sorry.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Well, shut the gate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
You go on your merry way, and I'll sit down.
So what I'm getting from this is in a very nice way, and I'm not kind of. Don't worry.
You just knocked my door on a randomness.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, because I feel bad. But what I'm saying is,
that was last year.
Well, yeah, I suppose.
No, I suppose it's last year. It was last year.
I know. Well, yeah, I know it was. But I'm not that type of person. I'm not. I'm not trying to be nasty.
I don't know if you are, because obviously you just knocked the door on the randomness.
Yeah, no.
Next door neighbour, obviously you had many a chance, obviously, to do that, but you chose tonight to do it.
Yeah. Is that bad?
Well, it is, yeah, really. I mean, obviously there's randomness, isn't it?
I'm sorry, man.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry. I'm not horrible, but can I just say I acknowledge that I think that night I was an arsehole.
Regardless of obviously having fun or not, right? But it's
it doesn't matter. I was an arsehole.
We've got next door neighbours.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what I'm trying to say. Absolutely. Yeah. And I've got dogs, and I love dogs. Yeah. You know, and you've got a dog, and I've got a dog, and yeah. Listen, you're right. I shouldn't have knocked on the door tonight.
No, you should not. So I mean, I'm quite happy here and fucking obviously sat here and obviously a randomness going. I'm sorry about obviously last year.
Yeah.
We're in New Year now, aren't we? Yeah.
Oh yeah, indeed.
You see how this fucking acts? I mean, next door neighbour.
You are a good man, aren't you?
No, listen.
Yeah,
I tried to be.
Yeah, you are.
I tried to be.
Listen, right. Because you're
listen, seriously.
Yeah.
I'm letting the fucking heat out now. Do you know what I mean? You're talking to me on a randomness, right?
Yeah.
I'm letting the heat out of my house.
Yeah.
Okay. Mary, shut the gate up, please. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Have a good evening. All right.
Sir.
All right.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
I'm sorry.
Bye bye.